Hello there. Today I will be showing you how to access free interactive Bible resources from Godly Pearls. The first thing you need to do is to sign into boomlearning.com. The web address is showing on your screen. Now when you're on the website, scroll through to find the button Join for Free. Once you click on the button, you will see the different types of accounts you can create. As a parent or Sunday school teacher, you'll choose the educator account. Next, you will see all the various options you can use to join. You can choose any option you prefer, but today I'm going to join with Google. Next, you choose your Google account and sign in. That brings us to this page. Please read the terms and conditions carefully, and if you agree with them, go ahead and tick the boxes. Now is a good time to upgrade your membership to a free membership. Click on Upgrade. You'll see the tab with the free membership plan. Scroll down and click on Choose. Now type in your name and country. Click on OK. You won't have to pay anything for your free membership plan. Now click on Continue and OK. Now you have subscribed to a free membership plan. Now I want to show you how to get free boom cards from Godly Pearls. Let's go to Store. Click on Authors. And then in the search field, type Godly Pearls. Next, click on Godly Pearls. If you just scroll through, you see all the free resources that we have for you. They are all $0. You don't have to pay anything. Next, we're going to add one of these resources to our library. Click on Add to Library and then OK. Let's add another one to the library. Click on Add to Library again. And OK. Okay, now let me show you where you can find the resources you've just added. On the top pane, click on Library. Here you will see the resources. Make sure that you are on Purchased and not Self-Published. If you click on Self-Published, you're not going to see anything. So let's click back on Purchase, and now I'm going to show you how to share your resources. Click on the Action button, then click on Fast Pin. Click on Generate Pin, and then click the copy icon. You can copy this code or you can copy the link and send this link to your students. Now let me show you what to do with the link I copied. You and your students can paste this link directly on any web browser and click Enter. The resource will begin to play immediately and you can start interacting with it. So this is a Bible quiz. You can click on Start to begin. If you get the answer correct, it marks it as correct. If you get it wrong, it says incorrect, and you have to try again. You can keep going with the questions, but I want us to go back to Boom Learning. Click on Store, and you can add as many resources as you want to your library. Remember that any link you generate expires in 14 days, but you can generate a new link whenever it expires. If you have any more questions on how to access our free boom cards or how to share your resources so that your students and children can use them, please check our YouTube channel for more videos. If you still have any more questions, feel free to send us an email and we'll be happy to help you out. Thank you and God bless you.